Hello! This video is meant to answer some of the most common questions that I have received about the how-to of certain tap dance steps. And today's words we're going to be starting with the letter F as in flap. I'm going to be offering you names of the steps, describing them, and the how-to techniques of these, all with the purpose of giving you a great foundation for your tap dance education. Hello, if we haven't met before, I'm Sil Askins, tap dance professional, studio owner, director, choreographer for over 40 years, and I'm here to give you a pathway to enjoyment in your tap dance education. When I was researching how to do this type of videos, I came across a couple of other wonderful tap dancers who are sharing similar things. So I offer you, or invite you to go check them out. Kathy Rowe has a great series and a tap dance dictionary. Also, Rod Howell has one as well, a tap dance dictionary through United Taps. So go and check these people out and support them as well. But for today, what I have to offer you, the 5 words all build on the word flap. We're going to do 1 heel, flap, heel. We'll do 2 heel drops, flap, heel, heel. I'll explain all of this. We'll also do a flap ball change, a flap into a cramp roll, and a flap into a buffalo. Now, if you haven't had these words before or don't know what that is, I've described them in earlier videos that I've shared with you. And I have to apologize, my B video, it looks like there's 2 of them out there. That was a boo-boo. If you look in the description box of the 2 B videos, you'll see one, it says all B words, and the second one is all the letter C words. So that's the one that will have, for example, cramp roll will be described in there. And in the B videos, you'll see where the ball change is described and the buffalo is described. Okay? So hopefully that's not too confusing and you can follow your way there. So what I'd like to do now is bring the camera down so that I can put it on my feet and you can see what we're doing, how I'm describing these 5 words for you today. Okay, so hang on. There we go. All right, so we're going to talk about a flap. And let's do a quick review of what a flap is. A flap is brushing with the ball of your foot and landing into the weight of the ball. So you're making 2 sounds. A brush with your toe. You notice your heel is off the floor. You're brushing and you're putting your weight right into that ball of the foot. And so when you do 2 in a row, you're actually staying up on your toes. So you're doing flap, flap. Okay? I'm going to turn around and do a series for you. Flap, flap. See how I stay up on my toes? Flap, 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 flap. Okay? So the first way we're going to use the flap is with a heel drop. Now, a heel drop is when you pick the foot, you raise your heel, and you sit down into it, making a nice bass sound. So when you put the 2 together, you'll get a flap with a heel drop, or a flap with a heel drop. Flap, heel drop, flap, heel drop, flap, heel drop, flap, heel drop. So the best way to get a good sound out of that is 2 words. Weight change first, and sit down, sit on it into your heel drop is what I'm talking about. So put your weight into the flap, and when you drop the heel, sit into it. That's your bass sound, okay? So that's 1 heel. Now if you want to do 2 heels, you can drop either the heel that you're standing on, right, the same foot that you did the flap with, or you can drop the heel of your supporting leg. So it was the leg that you were standing on without the weight over here. Okay, I'll turn around. Flap, heel drop on my left. So flap to the right, heel drop on the left. Now if you're changing your weight to that same flapping foot, then it offers up some traveling motion, right? So you're going to flap, heel, sit down into the heel, 2 heels, outside to inside, outside outside heel drop into the inside heel drop. Or right, left. Right, left. Right, left heel drop. You're doing the left foot. Left, right. Outside to inside. Another way to do that, change your weight would be side. Changing your weight would be heel, heel. Releasing your left foot. Or left, right, left. Or left, left, right. Or left, right, left. Or left, left, right. So see there's a variation there of your heel drops with one or two heels that you can use. Kind of fun. The next one we're going to use is the ball change. So quick review of ball change. Ball change was using the ball of the foot, changing your weight forward. Ball change. So when you put a flap before that, you're going to go ball lap, and then here's your ball, and change your weight. Let me show you again. Ball lap, ball change. Now there's ways to do ball change. You can do it back to front like this. And it can be done in other positions, but we'll just demonstrate this one today. So lap, ball changes come from behind you. Ball change. Okay, so there's your flap ball change. Alrighty. Now the next one we're going to use is flap into a cramp roll. So what was the cramp roll? The cramp roll was coming up on your toe. So you're going to go toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Okay. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Now that's just one variation of a cramp roll. This is just a straight cramp roll, coming up on your toes first, and then the same order, right, left, heel drops, right, left. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. There's other variations of cramp rolls, but for demonstration purposes today, we're just going to do this one cramp roll. So how do we flap into a cramp roll? So you'll go lap, your weight is right here. But what you're going to do is you're going to start your cramp roll with that flap. So you're going to go lap, okay, brush, toe, toe, heel, heel. Lap, heel, lap, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Lap, heel, heel. Lap, heel, heel. Alrighty? So that gives you another variation there with the flap. The next one is into the buffalo. Now, as you progress, when you learn the buffalo, usually you start with just a step into a buffalo, like this, step, and here's your buffalo. That's a quick review. 8, buffalo, step. So if you were flapping into your cramp roll, instead of stepping, you would just flap. So you stay on your toe, and then you finish the buffalo. Shuffle back, go back, shuffle back, go back. So you can do a buffalo both ways. Go lap, shuffle back. Go lap, shuffle back. Go lap, shuffle low. Go lap, shuffle low. Well, there's your words for today. Thank you very much. Let me put the camera back up here. Hold on. There we are. Hello again. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that. And if you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to my website. It's at celebritydance.com. I'll spell that for you. It's just like my name. CYL and then EBRITY dance.com. And there you can go to my contact page and you can reach out to me and say, hey, Sil, how do I do that buffalo? I forgot. I can either send you to the video or I can give you a definition and send you to a Zoom class, and maybe we could talk about it together, all right? So please, if you like the way I teach and you've enjoyed this time with me, hit the like button. You can even subscribe. That would be wonderful. Share it and use it. Come back to it every once in a while just to refresh your memory about the tough steps that we talked about today. And other ones as well. Remember, you can go back to the B words or the first one we talked about. So thank you for coming today, and Until we meet again in the next video, happy tap dancing, everybody. Bye.